Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Prep. Today we are going to discuss a question that is detect floating point number of hacker rank in Python. So let's have a look in the question, that is you are given a string n. Your task is to verify that n is a floating point number. These are the following requirements, that is n can start with a plus, minus or a dot symbol. For example, plus 4.50, this is the correct format, then minus 1.0 correct format, then dot 5, this is also the correct format, then minus zero point 0.7, this is the correct format, then plus zero point 0.4, this is the correct format, then minus plus 4.5, this is the wrong format because the condition is it should start with a plus, minus or a dot symbol. Here both plus minus are there, that's why this is the wrong format. Then the next condition is the number must contain at least one decimal value, that is 12 point, there is nothing, that's why this is the wrong format. Then 12.0, this is the correct format. Now the input format, that is the first line contains an integer t, that is the number of test cases, then the next t line contains a string n. Now let's have a look in the sample input and the sample output. The sample input, that is 4, that is the number of test cases, so there will be 4 uh, for string that we have to verify. The first input is 4.0, then O, then 0. This will return false because O is not a floating point number. This is a character. Then minus 1.00, this will return true because it satisfies all the condition, like it starts with a minus symbol, that is plus, minus or dot. Then after decimal there is at least one value, so it satisfies all the conditions. Likewise plus 4.54, this also satisfies all the condition, that's why this will return true. Then some random stuffs, this is not at all a floating value, that's why it will return false. So what is our work? Our work is to verify all these strings according to a certain pattern, that is it should starts with a plus symbol, minus symbol or a dot symbol, and it must contain at least uh, one value after the decimal. So here we have to import regular expression, because regular expression is used when we want to match a string of text that can be a character, word or a pattern. Here we have to match these strings according to a pattern, that's why we have to import regular expression. Then our test cases, that is the t, that will specify the number of test cases, that will be in integer format. Now we have to write the pattern. It should starts with a plus, minus or a dot. So it should start with a plus or minus. After that, question mark. So it should start with a plus, minus. We have to put that in a square bracket form. Then question mark. Question mark will specify the number of occurrence should be 0 or 1. So here, sorry, my laptop is quite slow. Uh, Here it's there must be one plus, like there can be one plus, minus, or there can be nothing like 0. That's why we have written plus, minus, and the number of occurrence can be 0 or 1. Here that is 1, that is 1 plus, that's why this is the correct output form. Then this is also the correct form. This is also the correct form. Here number of occurrence of plus, minus is 0. That's why we have written question mark. And before plus, minus we have to write one XOR symbol, that is that will specify it starts with. It starts with plus, minus, and the number of occurrence should be 0 or 1. Question mark specifies that. After that, the number. It is the integer value. So we have to write in square bracket that is 0 to 9, and it should be, that is the star symbol. Star symbol specifies that the number of occurrence should be 0 or more than that. So the decimal value after plus and minus can be 0 or more than that. Here there is nothing, like only zero point 0.5, but here there is one occurrence 4. Here there is two occurrence 12. So after that, after the integer value, the point. So we have to write any special character, we will write with backslash dot. After that, the decimal value, that is 0 to 9, and number of occurrence must be at least 1, that is plus symbol. Plus symbol specifies that the number of occurrence should be 1 or more than that. Then the dollar symbol specifies that it should end with here, like after that decimal point there should be some integer value and it will end with that. Now we have to write the for loop for I in range, the test cases, that is t. We have to take string input is equal to input, then we have to match print re dot match. We have to first pass the pattern, then what we have to match the string, this s, and we have to print everything in true or false format. So we will write bool. Now we are done. Let's run the code. Yes, it satisfies all the condition. Let's submit it. Yeah. So if this solution approach is helpful for you, please do subscribe to Placement Prep. Thank you. Have a good day.